Today in Goa, the cabinet has just gone ahead and tried to become larger than the Supreme Court. आज लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर, महादेव नाईक, सुदीन जवळेकर म्हणतात की आम्ही सुप्रीम कोर्टान वाडले. आज इतले स्कॅम भायर येवन चालू जाल्या, पूण हे सगळे स्कॅम भायर येवन तातून मंत्री MLA अटक जावन तांकां जेल जवपाची पाळी येतकूच जर तांकां पार्डन मेळ्ळो जाल्यार ही फूल प्रक्रिया करपाची कित्याक? कोर्ट आसा कित्याक? जज आसा कित्याक? सो हो एक मेन मुद्दो. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट म्हळ्यार आमी मातशी एक शोध काडली आनी पळोवंक गेल्यार अजून पर्यंत सिटींग MLA काय मिनिस्टराक असो पार्डन केन्नाच मेळूंक ना, फक्त गोंयान न्ही, फूल इंडियान. सो this issue is not just relevant to Goa. It will not set just a precedent for Goa, but it will be a national precedent. Not only will tomorrow Digambar Kamath and Churchill Alema want to get pardon and get out of jail free, but Shivraj Chauhan, if he gets convicted in the Vyapam case, Vasundhara Raje, if she gets convicted in the Lalit Gate case, they will also want pardons. So this is a national precedent, far-reaching consequences of this decision in the hands of our Goa governor today. The party embarked on a very small, very kind of rough survey. This is not some scientific survey. It was random sampling. Our volunteers went to the main bus stands and markets of Goa.
We asked the people, do you support the decision of the BJP-led cabinet to pardon the convicted criminal Aap Pc? That was one question. The second one was, in your opinion, should the Honorable Governor of Goa give her consent to the petition of the cabinet to pardon the convicted criminal? And third was, if you were given the opportunity to decide whether he should be pardoned or convicted, what would be your decision? Most of the answers were no, he should not be pardoned. And yes was 6%, no were 94%. And the people of Goa have given a very strong opinion that the law should be enforced, whoever it may be a MLA or a regular citizen, whether he's a Khas Aadmi or an Aam Aadmi. All should have the same treatment. And the common reactions that we had from people were that, "Amka kaun pardon kartalo?"